watch out. Okay.
Hi, Peter. Maybe this will help me get into wheel too, which I've never been able to do. 14 years of yoga, I still can't do wheel. Blows my mind. And you know what? I don't have the shoulder flexibility, apparently. The shoulder extension, shoulder hyperextension. It's just not there. The necklace removal tool. Just flip over one of those and it will remove your necklace for you. I'm going to attempt my first, I guess it's a headstand with this contraption over here. First, put my hair up in this little hair tie right here that's supposed to prevent creases because it's got these little swirly things in it. So let's try this out. Wow, Tom in a ponytail. That doesn't happen ever. First time ever. Let's see here. Oh boy. Nice. Now let's see if I can push up into my handstand. No. I'm starting to lose my balance when I start to push, like immediately. But I can hold myself up like this, which is cool. This might help me transition into a handstand. It's a pretty neat little contraption. Who knows, maybe I might pick one of these up for myself, and I'm trying to, one of my big goals is to do a handstand unassisted and then eventually walk on my hands and do all kinds of things from there. So this might be a device to help me out with that, just maybe. Thank you, Lisa, I appreciate that. Now, can I come back up? I don't know. Yes, I can. Whoops. All right, so I got to kick myself up, otherwise that ain't gonna work. But even still, I wonder.
Oh.
Try again.
Holy crap.
Okay. Now I can come up.
Oh.
Maybe. Just finding my center of gravity to make it work. Like so. But from here, do all kinds of neat things, right?
Mm-hmm.
I could develop a whole fitness routine just based on stuff you can do while in one of these babies. Eventually on the hands in an unassisted handstand, I will develop workouts once I get there.